morning, everybody. Welcome to Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. It is now 7. Wow, 7. Oh my god, it is 5:30. There's a bug on my phone. Right, so it's 5:30. I am finished getting dressed. Yes, I felt like wearing these earrings. If you just in case you don't know, I actually made them myself. I have a jewelry business on this side. You should check the links below. Check it out. Buy some stuff if you would like to. I think I'm okay-ish at making these little handmade cute little trinkets and knickknacks. Anyways, so I am dressed, ready to head to work. I am working till 2 today. I pretty okay. I feeling okay. My stomach's a little bit queasy, a little bit at the moment, but I will get better. I already had some coffee. I actually only got like just over 5 hours last night. Literally, I got up 4 o'clock. Good evening, loves. It is 2:45. I returned from work and I took a bath. I haven't eaten anything yet, even though I'm very hungry. But what I'm trying to do is just going to try to take like about a half an hour to 45 minutes nap, then get up and do some work, and then by that time I should be able to leave for class. Hello guys, it is now 4:30. I am on the road and I just wanted to speak to you all for a moment, simply because we didn't have a driving with car moment, and also moment of inspiration. About 5 to 6 minutes ago, I was on the brink. I literally just felt to cry because I am so tired, you all. I worked 6 to 2 this morning, and then as soon as I reached home, I got 5 hours last night. And as soon as I reached home, I just, I had to just bathe and take a rest, and then I got up about 5 minutes to 4, hurried and eat. I tried to do like one question before class, so I left, and I'm just so tired. My throat is sounding horrible, and I just feel like if I can't catch myself. But you all, everything is going to be great. No matter what you have going through, just keep working at it, and you will get everything done. Hello, loves. It is currently 10:30 something, 10:35 around. So it is the night and I'm not fully ready to sign out yet. When I came home, I did some work, and I am actually going to, well, in a little bit I should be going to sleep around 11 or so. I want to study some work because for tomorrow's class that actually starts at 2. I have somewhat of a revision class, kind of prepping for final exams, so I want to start to review some work now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I will end today's vlog, which is day 4, right here. I hope you all are having a wonderful December. And question, I actually want you guys to comment below and let me know, what are your plans for Christmas? What have you been doing up to? Are you actually feeling the Christmas vibe yet? I mean, are you feeling that Christmas spirit, or would it take some time to really feel that? Let me know. Leave a comment below. Let me know. Personally, for me, it's shaping up a little bit slower as usual. I usually feel the Christmas spirit like closer down to the end of the month, or like halfway, the 20 something. But we'll get there. Bye. Good morning, loves. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. It is now 5:30 and I'm ready to go to work. So that's what we're gonna do, and then I'll update you when I do something next. Bye. welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. It is currently 20 to 7. I finally feel as if I would have gotten enough rest on a night. Simply because I think I got like a solid 8 hours last night sleep. That is so good. I am so happy to finally get like a good 8 hours. Oh my goodness. I am here right now. I'm happy because I'm here with Pumpkin. Pumpkin, teach. Literally like right here next to me, but the food kind of fall down and just so I can move. But yes, today I have to work in the evening, but I have some school to do. I'm going to finish some of my work, and yeah. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all. It is 4 minutes to 10. Yes, it's late. I already kind of a little bit pushed back on the things that I have to do. I have to go to the bank and then we'll have to go home, get some stuff, go to the bank and then go back home and get ready for work this evening. But yeah. Good night, peeps. So it is now like 11:08, 10 past 11. I am so tired. I came home from work around like 20 something minutes, like 10:30 to be honest. And I just bathed and get some sandwich. So I don't know if you guys would have known by now, would have guessed, but based on how I would have told you guys about my shift, I work in a gas station. And with the current crisis that is going on in Trinidad, for those of you who live in Trinidad, you know there's a situation with gas, and so that we have two gas stations. There's NP and there's Unipet. Unipet gas station has been closed for a couple days because of the situation of the supply of gas that they are getting. Trinidad. We are not on a gas shortage. Trinidad, we are not on a gas shortage. We are currently it's just that Unipet is not getting fuel because of certain circumstances that they would have been under, which means right now NP is in a mess, a total mess. NP, you're watching out, everybody coming on NP, and no offense, I understand that NP would be more busy because Unipet is not open anywhere. If some gas stations are closed, obviously one is going to be more busy. However, people are acting as if gas is on shortage and gas is scarce. No, it's not scarce, number one. Number two, people, if you fill your tank today, it is going to empty, or it's going to go down in a couple days because you are constantly using your vehicle. Even if you're in a rush to fill up your tank, please don't be. And people, please be nice to workers working in the gas station, because it's a lot of headache and it is a lot going on. Working an 8-hour shift and having hundreds of customers coming in, it's not always the easiest thing. So yeah, anyway guys, yeah, I do apologize. I think I haven't really been doing anything very exciting, but I hope you all enjoy the vlog still. So bye bye. I will end today's vlog right here. I will see you soon. Christmas Eve, presents wrapping, carol song.